These wood carving discs are a complete set. You will be able to shape and sand wood in many different ways. The company did send me these in exchange for this video. A purchase link is available in the video description. In the package, you get these metal grinding discs. You get 2 each with a rounded surface, 2 of these with more of a straight surface. These 2 have a slightly different profile. I like having the options. This one meant to cut on the edge. 2 flap style grinding discs and 4 optional spacers. I use the spacer in here. If your angle grinder fits 4-inch to 4.5-inch discs, these should be just fine for your hardware. Simply attach these to your angle grinder and you'll be ready to go. Look at how good of a job that did. And it made very quick work of it as well. That is very impressive. One thing I would recommend when using this is to always pull it towards you in that motion. If you push this into the workpiece, and it could move in a way that you aren't expecting. Pull it towards you and then lift up and pull it towards you again. Never pushing into the workpiece. Just my recommendation. This piece of metal has some pretty awful welds on it, and as you can see, it's very rusty. I'm going to take care of that. I am using the flap style sanding disc. This flap disc also did a fast and very accurate job. I love that. It's important to have the right tool for the right job, and these carving discs, in my opinion, this is the best way to get a bowl shape in wood. These carving discs do what they're supposed to do, and they do it really well.